In this video, I will show you how to use pen tool in Adobe Illustrator in tracing an object. Stay tuned! Create a new 1000 by 1000 points project. And paste any logo or object you like to trace. Mine, I used this lion logo from google.com. Adjust its opacity to 50% for easy tracing. Add new layer for your tracing job using pen tool. Press P on your keyboard to select the pen tool from your tool tabs, and hold Alt or Option while zooming through your mouse wheel. While holding spacebar, you can drag the object to your desired spot for tracing. In using pen tool, hold Shift key to maintain horizontal and vertical proportion. In my next video tutorial, I will show the basic pen tool techniques. As of now, let's do the object tracing. To add a fill color, press I on your keyboard to activate eyedropper tool from the tool tabs, then select the portion of the original object to match the color perfectly. Here's the finished product. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more updates.